Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be showing a few videos on the Golf here MK5. We'll show you how to remove the headlights. There is a trick to do that without removing the bumper cover. It's possible. We'll show you how to do it so we can save you some time. And check out our store guys, our main channel as well. It's growing super fast. We have quite a few thousand subscribers, and on the store you can see guys the shirts we got. We got amazing shirts, so check it out. It's in the description below. So first you need to remove the grill. So that's the grill right here. Stay with us, we will show you how to remove it. So what we need now guys is you can see a T25 star looking bit or a screwdriver, and you need to remove these two screws right here. You have to be careful to remove it right, otherwise you can break that thing, and we just dropped one of the screws, so don't do that. Okay, let us show you now what else you need to do. You need to press this thing in and pull, okay? And on this side again, you just press like that, okay, to the front and pull up. And now you can go on in one angle and go up. There is a few clips right here that usually hold on the bottom. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips on the bottom. And that's how you guys remove the grill. Then what you need to do, you need to get the same T25 right here, and you need to remove that bolt. It's under the grill. Okay, that will work on the Jettas as well and the GTIs. The only thing is the grill is a little bit different procedure. Okay, right there. But we have it on the main channel, so if you want to check out our video as well, you can see the headlight is loose, but it's not coming out. And there is a secret thing to that. Most people remove the whole bumper cover, and we've done it too. So if you pull that grill now, that insert right here, and if you lay under the vehicle, I'll show you where there. Alright guys, and right there now you can see that's the bolt that we're talking about. There is a screw right here. So with that, okay, let me show you now with that T25 right here. You need to remove that screw. Once we remove the headlight, we'll show exactly where it is. Alright guys, and this is the screw bolt that we're talking about. Okay, it's out of there now. Okay, so we removed 3 bolts. Remember, one on front, one here, one underneath. Now you can pull the front end of the headlight. Okay, like that. You come out. It comes only in one specific angle. But first we need to remove the wires, and we'll show you how to do that. Okay, this is the wires, and right here you need to push on that one towards the back and it will come out. So we don't have the wires anymore, and now you need to just play with it and pull it out. Okay, a little bit of here, a little bit of there, and it comes out. And that's the headlight guys. That's how you remove it, that's how you replace it if you need to. Not very complicated procedure if you know what you're doing. This one is missing one seal, even on the back you can see right here. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.